All right, guys, so if you've got, and you cannot pull this trigger, it's probably a faulty brake. 218,000 miles, no check engine lights, everything's good. It is not wanting to shift. It is in park. I had someone look behind me. The brake lights are not working, and that is a sure sign that the no shift issue is caused by the brake switch itself. So I hopefully will get it to go one more time so I can go home, because otherwise I might need a tow truck. But the brake switch, here's your pedal. It is gonna be there. That's it. And that's the part that's going not happy right now. Went to Napa, grabbed this, and this is the switch from Napa. Right there, that's it. And this can go bad, and there's a solenoid in there, and maybe the cable. There's a couple things that could really affect this, and the inability to shift with the brake lights in the back. Pretty safe to say it's gonna be this. So let's get this on there. It shouldn't take very long at all. So that just needs rotated and pulled straight forward. Now it's sitting out. Wiggly. Pull it over till you see the clip. All right, I'm gonna need two hands. But basically push that in and pop this out. And see it kind of just sits right there. And you spin it, and that's how it's held. Oh, here's the old one, sorry. And this one is the original forward part. This is the one going in. This is obviously aftermarket. Sure looks the same though, doesn't it? And yeah. So the only thing I needed for this job entirely was this little pick to help push the connector on the side to get this out. It was kind of difficult to get enough pressure on it with just my thumb due to the location. But this little 90 pick made it quick work. This should take you start to finish less than 10 minutes, as long as you can pop that clip out pretty quick. We're gonna put this in and then push it back into its position.